What I'm trying to do is to have another one of these, because I need two for the next demo I'm trying to set up. So there'll be some components, not too complicated. The majority of them are 3D printed. There is a pump, some tubing, something to keep it all organized, and yeah, this is not gonna be complicated. So to get there, I will be using a normal like juice you can buy in the shops, so that's quite easy. I obviously have the 3D printed parts that I'll be using for this, so there's only 4. I also have a glue stick and a glue gun somewhere. We'll get there when we get there. And I already have a container that I've kind of done. So what you need is one of the, what you call it, I don't even know how to translate this. This is spirit-based something. I'm sure you can find something that removes stuff. It's probably something that the ladies are using for their eyelashes or something. Not eyelashes, makeup. No, nail polish remover. I think it might be one of these or similar. I'm not a chemist or anything, but so this is how it basically works, because I want them to be nice and white-ish. Yeah, removes the entire the ads, the text, the graphics, and it's not perfect. It will take some time to remove it, but you get the general gist. So I can just do that right now. There you have it. It's not perfect, but it doesn't have to be. I might make it a bit better later on, but that's it for now. I'm gonna cut it right here in a moment, potentially off camera. So that's the first part of the process. And so far I think I got everything ready for part 2. So again, I want to replicate this, but I have this at the moment. So let's use this as a blueprint and cut this bad boy kind of here. We'll see how this one will not too bad. This isn't bad at all. Scissors did come in handy. After all, it's not perfect, but it doesn't have to be, because it just has to be good enough. The other one, the original one, is not perfect either, so it doesn't really matter, does it? Okay, let's put it out of the picture. Don't need you anymore. So, what will I go with first? Let's have a look at the original one. Okay, let's go with the most problematic part, which is going to be this one. I got the glue gun. I think it's nice and toasty. Oh yes. So, all I'm going to do now, just glue it down there, and that's it. That should be quite straightforward. Doesn't need to be perfect. I really couldn't care less. It just has to go in there somehow. Let's do it with the left hand. Might be a bit more dexterous, but still probably will be a bit problematic. Yeah, I messed up slightly, but still, hopefully This is still hot glue. Should be just fine. It's not in the middle, but it doesn't matter. Okay, so this is glued in. There is some glue holding this. Nah, potentially not good enough. Yeah, this is how you know you botched something. So yeah, this is not good. Now it's gonna be a pain to remove, obviously. Yeah, that's a hard one. Not easy, was it? Okay, let's try that again. Yeah, that didn't go well. Okay, not an issue. Let's give it another go. Let's see if I can get this to work this time. Different strategy. Okay. Yeah, this time seems like it worked. Yeah, much better. I can feel it very warm here. Okay. Yeah, this is gonna be such a much better. Okay, so we got one sorted. So this is what we have, and this is what we need. As in the other way around. So now it's gonna be super easy and simple. So now this side one, which will be pointing which direction? This way up. Okay, so get the glue done. Get the stick in. Yeah, cool. And let me just double check if I'm not butchering it too much. Get the right distance-ish. Glue this in. It's nice and warm on this side. Means it's all going well. Okay, it's a bit crooked. I adjust it while it's still hot. Okay, that's a bit better. So we got 2 out of 4. That's really good. Can get the long one now over here. This is for the water sensor. Not a big deal. Just get some in. Okay, doesn't have to be perfect either. Move it for, an inch, inch, a centimeter. It's nice and warm. It's gonna stick to it now as well. Okay, that's done. And the last little bit needs to go here. I just need a smidge on this one. I do not really need more. And am I out of glue? Yeah, potentially. Okay. 2 moments. Got another glue stick. Jam it in here. And this should, squirt it, as you can tell. Should be more than enough. And it's the up way around. Okay, jam it in here. Okay, that's it, nice and warm on the outside. Remove everything. I'll clean this later. And there you have it. The second prop is done. And yeah, what can possibly go wrong? So yeah, this is all I want to show you for now. How I'm putting the props together, since I wanted to 3D printed it. And I think I have one already that I printed, but there were some watertight it was leaking basically, issues with being watertight. And that's it. I'll be putting it together with all the other elements, like the water sensor and the pump and the adapter to power the pump, and I'll be doing some testing with the Modbus Arduino project to control this water flow using 2 sensors and 2 actuators, so to speak. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.